How to fix Facebook video no sound problem. Hello everyone and let's get started. On this video, we will discuss multiple ways that you can try for the Facebook video no sound problem. The first one is once you open the video on Facebook, you will see a speaker or mic icon which is on the bottom right of the video. Make sure that the speaker is not muted. So for that, you just have to click on it and make sure that there is no cross button or sign. This is one way to do so. For the next one, go to the settings and privacy of your Facebook. Then tap on settings. Then after tap on media. Make sure that video starts with sound has been toggled on. This should probably fix the issue too. If this still does not work, you can try clearing cache of the Facebook. Long press on the Facebook app, go to storage and cache and then click on clear cache. Other thing that you can try is uninstalling and installing the Facebook app again. So this were some of the suggestions that you can try. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.